Yeah, it's Wednesday, January 17, 2018. It's just a quick review of this Sharp GF-3700. Okay, put the phone back in my thing. Alright, so that's what it looks like on the front. That's what it looks like on the top. And it's missing a thing. It's got a full antenna. It's got a sleep radio off. Your monitor is high, low, and off. Tone, volume, and a amfm switch. It tunes. That needle works. Okay, so that's that. And FM is
Yes.
so that all works. I don't quite know what the monitor does, but then we have I put it in off mode, and then let me zoom in for this because I really need to see this. Kinda. Let's go this way. There you go. Now, if we hit the eject, it comes out forcibly, and what I really wanted to show you is the light. This has the. That's what I want to show you right here. If I can get that to jump up, there we go. Will that zoom in there? Yeah. Okay, great. That's pretty good, I guess. I can move it this way. There we go. So there it is. So now if we hit forward, the spindle, which you can't see, is turning. Okay, we hit stop, and we go rewind. It doesn't do anything. Okay, but can you see that's turning up in there, right? And if we hit stop, or it's not turning, and if we hit stop and then hit play, it's really hard to push the button down, but that's working. But I do with my flashlight, there we go. But the idler tire is not turning, okay? So that's all I wanted to show here, is that the big diameter, like 1 inch in diameter thing, that's not turning at all. So I'm guessing that it needs a new idler tire. And look at that, there's a piece of tape wrapped around well, you can't see that. Okay, there we go. Well, anyway, that's all I wanted to show. I don't want to make it too long. It's just I'm going to try and go in here and see what there is I can repair in this machine. Let me zip out of this, because I'm about the cassette deck, so I don't really care much about the radio and all that. But then, just to give you a quick view of this side. It's got record, standard microphone thing, auxiliary input, external speaker 4 ohms, and then in the back it's got, let's see, I can zoom into that. Oops, I'm doing this with like that, so we can zoom into that. Okay, we want to read this. Okay, so there you go, there's that. Okay, and then on this end, of course, we got to zoom out again. That's just the tuning knob. Okay, great. So that's the tuning knob. Back to the front. Back to the top. Okay. And then, of course, can't forget the bottom. There's the bottom. And of course, I have it plugged in. So it does have a 9-volt in, so it takes 60 batteries. And that's all I know. Good day, bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to check it out now. Bye-bye.